Look, guys. Look what we got at the jelly bean factory. Look at all this candy.
Could I have some of this? I want some of this. I like this.
You like that?
Yeah, I like the carrot candy.
That's candy corn.
I like carrot candy corn.
And this all only cost $10. These, we each got a free bag just for going on the tour, and the tour was free. So if you ever want some candy, find a Jelly Belly factory and go on a free tour and get free candy. And these were only $5 each, and they were buy two, get two free. So I only had one in my hand, but I just love jelly beans and I love candy corn. How could I just go all away with one? So I'm going to send one home with Gracie for her and her mom to have. And then
because my eyes are not tired.
your eyes aren't tired?
No, that's why I have to wake up.
But you can't wake up if you've never gone to sleep.
I already did the number. See? Remember what you did?
No, I don't remember you going to sleep.
I was sleeping this way and then I went this way.
I don't think you fell asleep.
Yes, I did.
It hasn't been 15 minutes.
See? I think that's why I have to wake up.
I'll tell you when it's time to wake up.
Okay.
You have nightmares?
No.
You okay, Gracie?
Is it 15 minutes?
Yeah.
It's time to get up.
Is it time to leave?
Where do you want to go eat?
I don't know.
We'll go Rainforest Cafe.
Look at the snake. The snake is trying to eat people. Hey, we're going to have dinner at the Rainforest Cafe.
Come on.
The alligator.
Look at the sky. There's the elephant.
scared of that monkey.
You're scared of that monkey? What do you think he's gonna do?
What's the monkey gonna do?
Can I wear your hat?
Spit on you. I think she's getting tired.
You didn't take a nap.
She took a 15-minute nap.
There's Terry's food.
Yeah, can we get...
Gracie got sausage pizza. That looks good, Gracie. And look at mine. It's pot roast. Hope you can see it with the low light. And that looks good too. I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah, we will eat it.
Gracie has to have her hand on Papa because she's scared of this restaurant. She's just like Mandy. Mandy does that while you're eating too. There's the elephants waking up. Gracie. Gracie.
What?
How did you like your pizza?
Good.
Do you want to come back to this place again?
Yes, if the frog doesn't come out.
If the crocodile doesn't come out?
I said frog.
Oh, the frog?
If the frog doesn't.
You don't like the frog?
No. I'm scared of it.
What do frogs do? Do they bite? What is the frog gonna do to you? What is the frog gonna do to you? It's gonna bite your nose? It's gonna bite your cheek? And your hair?
Where are the gorillas?
And your neck?
My belly.
Put your hat on. The gorillas. Look at the fish. Some pretty big fish.
Look at her wheels, Teddy.
The plate of her nemesis. want to go in there and take a picture?
Can you come in with me?
Look at the big fruit. I love this shirt. See you tomorrow for the end of day 1.